Mount Hood Loop, a loop of opportunity. US 26 from Mount Hood to Portland closely follows the route. I'm not going to Portland. I'm gonna go head towards there. We're gonna stop in a government camp area. Trying to look up there. I think I'm turning out my draws today. But I think that's before, so I'm going to government camp first and I'll come back. Yeah, right there. And I'm going to go down the Tide Valley. There's the road to go up. I'm actually going to stop at the, what does that say? Thrive Hood River. I'm going to stop up at the panorama point again and see what I can see this time around. I haven't done that in a year or two.